I'm ready. If you need help with anything specific, just let me know. I'm here for you. Yay! I'm glad to hear that. Knowing things is super fun. What did you figure out? I'd love to know.
Scan the QR code.
Start recognizing the QR code. It's the game of intellectual puzzles. Let's start brainstorming.
Fluffy, scan the QR code.
Start recognizing the QR code. I'm ready for the story.
Fluffy, start the story.
Oh, my dear little snowflake, you are eager to delve into a new story. Let's embark on this magical journey together. Here we go. Once upon a time, in the enchanting kingdom of Arendelle.
Fluffy, scan the QR code.
Start recognizing the QR code. I am ready for the story.
Fluffy, start the game.
Great! Here we go! I am an animal that is known for my long neck. Do you know who I am?
A giraffe?
Great! You guessed it! It's a giraffe!
Oh, my dear little snowflake, a world of gentle magic awaits us. Tonight, let me weave a story about a fluffy little cloud and its journey down to meet the shimmering ice flowers in the enchanted forest.
Yes, you're fantastic. It is a strawberry. It's sweet and juicy.
Is it a blueberry?
Yes, you got it.
Fluffy, come straight.
Get it.
Fluffy, look at this. What is this?
Got it. Let me think. This looks like a children's book titled The Gingerbread Man. It's a popular story about a gingerbread man who comes to life and runs away.
Fluffy, can you help me read it?
Absolutely. Let's dive into the story together.
Let's start from page 1. Look,
Got it. Let me think. Here's the text. Once upon a time, there was a little old man and a little old woman. One day, the little old woman made a gingerbread man. She gave him a head, 2 arms, and 2 legs.
Fluffy, do you want to play Uno with us? Fluffy, these are your cards.
You need a blue or a 7?
Tough choice. I think I'll go with blue. It's such a nice color. What about you? What's your pick?